I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I have a giveaway to share with you. This is the Shadow Play by Maywood Studio. It's a beautiful jelly roll with 2.5-inch strips. Missouri Star Quilt Company sent it to me so that I could give it away to one of my followers. So I want to show you what I am working on. This is a jelly roll made with the Kindred jelly roll, Kindred fabrics. And I am going to be making my jelly roll quilt to share with everyone. If you would like to win the Shadow Play jelly roll, leave a comment telling me if you have ever made a jelly roll quilt, and follow me and Missouri Star Quilt Company on YouTube. Thank you and good luck.